Hey guys, Clarksdale took a direct hit by that tornado yesterday. Clarksdale did, I don't know, it was deadly and all. Of course, happened 2 days before Christmas. Yesterday we had that tornado outbreak up north. So, if some of y'all are watching this from anywhere in Mississippi, or like Clarksdale, which some of them are still without power today, I think. But, this is like, well, I don't know how y'all could describe tornado damage like that. I mean, I've seen tornadoes before, not one, but not the one that hit the ground. I've only seen the ones that were still up in the clouds, but not one that was ever on the ground. But if you're watching this in Clarksdale tonight, guys, I just want to say, just don't let your spirit down, guys. Especially by a tornado. Never let a tornado, ruin your life. You can always replace houses, but not yourself. Just be glad that you're, still here. And help others out when 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 a tornado hits. Just do that, guys. That's what I would do if one ever hit here. Yeah. Anyway, guys, Clarksdale tornado. I'm signing off for today, guys. I'll see y'all either tomorrow or after on the 26th, okay? Later.